Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I was playing around with Eskimos' space between centers. That's a really cool deal, but I never had thought about it. You could do it on an angle. So let's just do it. There's one way we could do this inside Corel is go to Windows, Dockers, and Align and Distribute, and we could align these guys equally apart. But you don't have any control on how far apart they are. So let's move this one way out. Let's select them both. These are 3-inch circles. I want them 3 inches apart. And you can see that now they're touching because they're 3 inches apart. So if we backed up here and we say, well, let's make them 4 inches apart. So if you select them all and go 4 inches apart, look at that. Those are 4 inches apart. Well, I never knew you could never played around with it enough to do it, to get these, basically to get these in alignment. So let's select, these are just sporadically put out. Let's do this. Let's go 3 inches apart horizontally, 3 inches apart vertically. Well, what did I do wrong? Let me move this one a little bit. So let's go 3 inches apart and 3 inches apart. And it put them in a line. Now they're not 3 inches apart from the center because of the angle that it's having to do it. And you could do that and still have that same angle. Let's do this. Let's kind of rotate this guy. So you could do this inside of Corel. But let's go, let's put them all to the left. And then this is the vertical and just have them 3 inches apart. And then, well, let's go 4 inches apart. Now it's going to grow them. Whoop, got to have them all selected. Then you could angle them at whatever angle you want. But if you had some things that were already at an angle that you can't really do that to, so I would put a link at the bottom of this video on the space between centers. It's a pretty cool free macro. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.